Hey team, today we're going to talk about how to read dot plots. Now I know you're used to tables and graphs, but dot plots may be new to you. Essentially all it is we took all of this data and we organized it to where it would fit on a number line. The way that it works is you'll notice there's only one zero, so zero only gets one dot. There's 3 ones, so one gets 3 dots, so on and so forth, until you have this picture to look at. Here's what you can tell from a dot plot right off the bat. We can find the minimum, the maximum, and the range. The minimum is the smallest value that we see on the dot plot. And right here, you can tell the minimum is 0. The maximum is the largest value on the dot plot, and you can tell that that is 7. The range is the distance between the smallest number, the minimum, and the largest number, the maximum. You can do that by looking at it, or you can actually subtract the two, and our range is also 7. The next thing you can find from a dot plot is the median, which is the middle number of the set of data. What's nice about this is our data points are already in order. We don't have to do that work. You just have to be careful as you're crossing them out to find the middle number. So here's how I do it. I'm going to cross off the lowest dot and the highest dot. Lowest dot, highest dot. And go back and forth until I make it to the middle one. Now, one thing you have to look out for is sometimes there's 2 middle numbers, just like with this one. So when you're crossing them out, you will notice the 2 in the middle are 3 and 4. So what we're looking for is on a number line, what is between 3 and 4? And that is 3.5. So the middle number of this set of data is actually 3.5. The last thing that we use to describe data sets is mean, or the average. You'll remember, hopefully from 6th grade, maybe from yesterday, the mean is when you add up every single data point and then divide by the number of data points. Here's one thing you have to look out for when you're dealing with a dot plot. Every single one of these dots is a point. So you're adding these numbers together multiple times. So we're just going to go through and make sure we represent every single dot. So what I've done is I have added each of my data points together. I only have 1 0 because there's only 1 dot for 0, but I have 3 1s because there's 3 dots for 1. Adding all of them together, and that gives me 71. And then because I'm trying to find the average, I'm going to divide by the number of data points, which is 20. And that 3.55, which I will just round up.